What is up, you guys? It is Parker here with Deco Exchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
Hey y'all, it is Damon here from Deco Exchange. Y'all, tonight we're gonna use a few pieces from a few random things that we've made previously on several different lives. So y'all, this is a wreath base that we made. I don't even remember when. It looks like "20-inch ruffles all the way around," if I had to guess, but that's what it looks like. 20 inches all the way around. I found this little scarecrow guy stashed away in my supplies. We're gonna use him. And then we made those bows last night, and I want to put those to use as well. All right, so first up, let's get this guy attached into our wreath. We are gonna need to make some holes in the back of it for some pipe cleaners to go through. All right, so I'm just going to make a little snip both sides of the fabric. Run my pipe cleaner through. Get it tied off. Now, if you don't do something about that, that fabric could keep tearing. So I just like to grab my glue gun and fill in that whole spot where we cut. Do one up here in his hat. What's up, y'all? We're gonna get this guy attached right over here. Just making sure I don't put my hands in the glue. Y'all, this guy is a little heavy, so I am going to tighten it up as much as I can on here. All right. Y'all, this is the bow that we made last night. If you were here, you saw it come to life. All right, this is the other bow that we made last night. I'm gonna add this one right up here. Gonna get these tied off. Y'all, now we're gonna worry about incorporating these colors into the rest of it. Let's make our ribbon tails. We're gonna use our sunflower ribbon. All right. Y'all, let's do some 13-inch tails. 5 of each set. All right, so we're cutting our tails at 13 inches. We're gonna need 5 of each. All right. 5, 2, 4, 5. All right, so 5 of these. Pulling in the leopard from the scarecrow. 3, 4, 5. All right, so we're gonna add our ribbon tails all the way around the base, and we're just gonna add them right into the twist ties that were already there. So with this one, I'm just gonna have 2. In this one, I'm gonna have 3 1.5 inch. Give it a good pinch and just start working my way around at the bottom. Once it's in, we're just going to spread these out. And go to our next one. Now, I personally don't care what these 3 ribbons look like together, right? I just want them to bring the whole wreath together. There we go. Much better. That's it, y'all. I am heading out of here and going home. You guys have a good night. Bye, y'all.